students, how are you? I hope that you all will be fine, staying home and doing creative works at your home. On the behalf of Paramount Public School, today I am going to teach you third tense of our tenses topic, which is known as simple future tense or future indefinite tense. Are you ready to learn? Let's start with our topic. Simple future and future indefinite tense. The simple future tense refers to a time later than now and expresses facts or certainty. In the case there is no attitude is shown. And this tense is also used to talk about the things that haven't happened yet. So simple future tense has two different forms in English: will and be going to. Although the two forms can sometimes be used interchangeably. You can use will also and be going also. Both will and be going refers to a specific time in the future. Come to its structure. Simple future tense form or structure: subject, then will, then verb first form, then object. Like example is here: you will help him later, or will you help him later. Now the form of be going to. The form of be going to is am, is, are and going to, and then verb first form. Let's learn about its uses. Use 1. Will to express a voluntary action. Will often suggests that a speaker will do something voluntarily. A voluntary action is one the speaker offers to do for someone else. Often we use will to respond to someone else's complaint or request for help. We also use will when we request that someone help us or volunteer to do something for us. Let's see some examples. I will send you the information when I get it. I will translate the email so Mr. Smith can read it. I will make some sandwiches. Second use of will is used to express a promise. Will is usually used in promises. Let's learn about with an example. I will call you when I arrive. I promise I will not tell him about the surprise party. If I am elected President of United States, I will make sure everyone has access to inexpensive health insurance. Third use of be going to or will to express a plan. Be going to expresses that something is a plan. It expresses the idea that a person intends to do something in the future. It doesn't matter whether the plan is realistic or not. Only intention they want to show with the help of be going to. Come to the example. He is going to spend his vacation in Haveli. They are going to drive all the way to Alaska. Sue is going to make John's birthday cake. Fourth use of will is will or be going to used to express a prediction. Both will and be going to can express the idea of a general prediction about the future. Predictions are guesses about what might happen in the future. In prediction sentences, the subject usually has little control over the future, and therefore use 1 and use 3 do not apply here. To express a plan, look at the examples, there is no difference in the meaning. Look, the year 2022 will be a very interesting year. The year 2022 is going to be a very interesting year. John Smith will be the next president. John Smith is going to be the next president. Now one important thing. In the simple future tense, it is not always clear which use the speaker has in the mind. Which thing, which idea the speaker has in the mind. Often there is more than one way to interpret a sentence meaning. And in future tense, no future in time clauses. Time is not bounded. Like all the future forms, the simple future cannot be used in clauses beginning with the time expression, such as when, while, before, after, by the time, as soon as, if, unless, etc. Instead of simple future, simple present is used in these time clauses. Look from example. When you will arrive tonight, we will go out for dinner. It is incorrect. When you arrive tonight, we will go out for dinner is correct form. Let's learn about its negative structure. Negative structure is subject, then will, then note, then verb first form, then object. You will not help him later. I will not do your homework for you. I will not give you some coffee. I won't. Will not is all could be written into won't. Tell anyone about your secret. Now come to its interrogative structure. Will come forward before the subject, then verb first form, then object, and then last question mark. For example, will you do this for me? Will you help me move this heavy table? Will you make dinner? Or will you ever help him? I hope that student you got the all uses of future tense. Thanks for watching.